Why buy planners when you can create your own? With Canva, designing personalized printable planners is quick, fun, and absolutely free. From daily schedules to goal trackers, you can customize every detail to fit your style and needs. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating planners that are not just functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. Whether you want one for yourself or to plan to sell them, Canva is your ultimate tool. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips and free templates. Let's turn your planner dreams into reality today. So let's start. Head over and then go over to your canva.com. Now on your Canva web page, you can click onto this search bar right here. Now search in here for planner. Now, from in there, you should be able to see in here a planner that you would want. So we have in here this planner. I like this one. So click on it right here. Now you should be able to see in here a freebie of that planner. So you can see the first page, the second page, third page, as well as the next page for that. If you would don't want that or if you don't want something like that, you can also see in here other planners that they have. So for example, let's choose in here this. This one has its own front page. So let's click on this right here. Click on this customize this template. You can also see in here different with Canva option. But for this one, let's click on this customize this template in order to customize it first. Now, once we have done that, this planner will be added into our Canva design and you should be able to see it already added. We have in here this first page and you can also utilize the second page, third page, and that. So since the coming year is near, so let's change this 2024 into 2025. Let's change it. And now we have a planner for the upcoming year. So we have in here this backgrounds. If you don't want a flower background, let's click onto our elements right here. And then let's change in here something different. So for example, let's search in here for other background options. Like for example, let's just in here roses. Then head over to your photos. And then just choose in here a photo that you would want. So some roses right here are vibrant, whereas some are not. So for this one, I'll head over and choose this. Now for this one, I'll just to rotate it. And you can head over and then just resize it in order to make this your background. Alternatively, you can also apply it as your background naturally, or you can also just click on the three dots, click on layers, and click on show all layers. From in there, just drag this layer right here to the very bottom. And then once you have added this to your very bottom, you should be able to see it all together right there. So let's remove the old background right here. Just click on the three dots. Click on the this delete right here in order to delete it. And now we have in here this very gorgeous pink planner. So this is what it looks like. And you can also change of the fonts if you would want. For example, let's change the font right here into something like this. So you can change that up if you would want as well. So let's make this something like this. Now you can also change its font altogether as well, or you can change it back into what we had earlier. Now let's proceed to our next page. Let's scroll down and as you can see we have in here the month of January, then the February, March, April, May, June, August, and so on and so forth until you reach in here our actual December, and we have in here as well the whole year planner for the 2024. So as you can see the Sundays are marked as red and they have been added individually. So what we can do in this case is we can head over and then change the background of our planner. So onto this one, we still have the same date for January, which is Monday is the first one or the first date. So let's try and change that. Let's head over right here to a new tab and let's put in here calendar 2025. So let's search in here for that. And then from in there, go over to your images. And then you should be able to see in here this calendars. So what we can do instead is we just need to find in here a template that doesn't have a color. So for example, let's choose in here this one. We have here 2025 banner. You can click on this visit the site because as you can see right here onto this one, they actually added each of the dates one by one, which is actually time consuming, and we don't want anything time consuming. We need to have something easy. So here's the actual picture. Let's click on it, and here it is. So what we can do is we can click onto this download option, and let's try to download it. And then as you can see, it's now being downloaded. And once it's done, let's click onto this calendar icon right here. And then what we can do is we can right click on it and then extract it. Once it's been extracted, you should be able to see it right here. So here is our actual Canva right here now. Next thing is to head over right here again. Now what we can do is we can just remove this part. So let's remove this page and then let's add a new page. Now onto this new page, just head over right here and click on uploads. Click on this upload files. And then let's choose in here the calendar that we have just added. Now, as you can see, it should be able to be uploaded and it's now being uploaded right here. Just click on it in order to add it to your own design. And now we have this. So let's just resize it in order to make this fuller. Now we have this ones right here. So you should be able to see it. It's high resolution. And if you don't want to actually use this 2025 banner right here, you can just crop it. Now, what we can do next is we can click on it right here and click onto this BG remover. What this will do is it will allow us to change up the background of this picture. So let's just wait for this because there's actually a lot to be removed. And once we have done that, we can head over right here to any blank part of the page and click onto this background color. And then let's change it into something like this. So as you can see, we can now freely change the actual color. So let's click onto this change all right here. And as you can see, every background right here onto our page has now been changed. Now as you can see, gray and pink actually doesn't work together on my case. So I'll click on this right here. I'll change it into a vibrant pink or something more subtle. It actually depends on you. I'll change it into something like this. And I'll also click onto this change all. And as you can see, it's been changed in here as well. So as you can see, it looks more pleasant right now. Really looks aesthetic and really looks good. So now that we're done with that, you can have the option to actually change up the things that we have in here as well. Because as you can see, what the date on January is not correspondent still to what we have earlier. So what we can do is we can copy the actual date right here and then just paste it on each month that we have on our planner. Now once you're done, you can utilize this print with Canva option. You can use letterheads and then you can just have it delivered to your doorstep. We have in here a mock of this planner. You can see in here the subtotal for standard paper and in here is a premium paper. If you want, if you have your own printer at home, you can click on the share option. Click on this download option and then choose in here a PDF standard or you can use PDF print and then click on this RGB for best digital use and click on this download option. Once it's done downloading, you can head over and then utilize the print option onto your computer in order to print it. So let's just wait for it. So here right now is our design. What we can do is we can click on this print icon in order to print it into our computer right here. Just choose your printer onto this part and then just click on print. Now, if you want to make your design process more easier, I've got you covered. I actually attach a pre-Canva template of this planner on the description below, and then you can use it for your own, or you can also try to customize it if you would want. If you love getting free resources and learning new Canva tricks, make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome content. We also have a lot more Canva videos. You can just go over to our playlist, or we also have a lot more Google App Services videos. You can utilize those as well to your liking. We also have another video about selling your planner on Amazon. So if you want to make a passive income, then this is the right video for you. So see you again soon.